Good morning, my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I say good morning, could be good night by the time you watch it. And that's okay. Coming at you from an absolutely magnificent morning before the heat wave sets in. The sun is coming up. The cicadas are out. We are headed to let our birds out. We've got some helicopters up. We've got some light aircraft up. That's probably what you're hearing more than the cicadas. I can see the pigs are out. Everybody's out today. They all know it's going to get disgusting in a few hours. We're expecting another round of absolutely ridiculous weather. So I thought I'd bring you along for the last cool morning that we're going to have in a while for our little duck and goose parade. Always with the wings up, always chatty. They've got things to do before they get in the pond for the morning. Oh, they are so funny. I'm letting the chickens and turkeys out next. These guys have a much slower parade, but their parade happens as well. I gotta learn to work the shadows so I'm not standing and shadowing everybody. You can hear the chickens chatting. Of course, you can't miss the turkey. And while the chickens wake up, they're a little slow to come out. They always are. They're very funny. They have to talk about it first. They let a few scouts out. And then they'll come out. So this branch has become completely overrun with foliage and weeds and vines and whatever else is going on here. But I usually find an egg or two tucked here somewhere. Doesn't look like it today. Of course. Now, if I hadn't brought you with me, I would have found 10. Oh well, that's the way it works. We'll take a moment of our morning peace with everybody on the pond. Oh, they're so graceful. So geese and swans, big-bodied birds, not the most graceful getting in and out. They look good on the water, not so much out of the water. The ducks are all doing their thing. The turkey, as always, are right here by my side because they're giant puppies. Yes, I'm talking about you. They're still in ridiculous molt. They look so silly. Well, I mean, this poor guy. Oh, if you can see him. Of course, he doesn't want to show me his naked rear end, but my goodness, this poor dude. He needs his feathers back. And they will come back. For now, they are looking silly. All of them look pretty silly, and they're in various forms of molt. This guy's got no back feathers. They're a hot mess. But it's all normal. It's all expected. It's all what happens at this time of the year. There's nothing wrong with them. The chickens have made their way out for the most part. They're also in various stages of molting. It's hard to tell in the shadow. Come on, guys. Be cooperative for once. Some of them have poofs on their tails where they lost their feathers. Others are showing naked chests. Everybody's in various stages. The turkey are determined to be first and foremost. So there you go. A nice little morning with the birds. And as always, our sentinel roosters out and about, making sure everybody's safe. I hope you're having a fabulous day wherever you are in this world. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Be kind. And I will see you at the next one. Bye for now.